Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the Mail app on the iPhone 16 and any iPhone running with the latest iOS 18 or later. We're showing you 10 essential tips that will make managing your email easier, faster, and more organized. So guys, let's get started. Tip number 1 is undo send. Have you ever sent an email and then realized you made a mistake? With the iPhone 16's undo send feature, you now have a few seconds to retract it. Let me show you how to quickly tap undo send after sending an email. For example, I'm sending this email, then just tap on the undo send option, which appears at the bottom, and you're saved from that dreaded email blunder. After sending an email, remember that the undo send option appears for only a few seconds. If this option is not visible on your device, please leave a comment below. Did you all know about this trick before? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's go with tip number 2 is schedule emails. Need to send an email at the perfect time? Use the schedule send feature. Simply hold down the send button, which looks like a dark blue upper arrow icon. You can get this option like my phone screen over here. Please select a specific time that is okay for you, like send tonight or send tomorrow, or you can go with send later and choose custom time. So here you can set time and date to send an email. After that, tap on done. So mail is scheduled for a specific time. You guys, this is perfect for those late night drafts you want to send in the morning. Tip number 3 is use remind me later. Got an email you want to deal with later? Just use the remind me feature. Let me show you. Just swipe right side from the left and tap on remind me. So a time list will appear, so choose a time. You will have to choose when you want to be reminded, and the email will pop back up at the perfect time. So you don't need to worry about who you email reply to or any other details regarding a specific email. Tip number 4 is use smart mailboxes. Get organized with smart mailboxes. This tip helps you gather important emails all in one place. Simply click on the mailboxes on the left and top corner. Now tap on this edit button. And on this screen, you can add categories like flagged, VIP, or unread, etc. To add this, simply tap on the radio button and click on done. So on this mailbox's screen, you can see all new smart mailbox. For example, tap on VIP. So here you have to add VIP contact to get all email. Tap on the add VIP so that you can contact list, choose a specific contact to add into VIP mailbox, and then tap on done button. So for specific contact, all upcoming mail will show you in this VIP mailbox. Dear friends, you know, it's a lifesaver for those who get tons of emails every day. So I think this trick for you. Tip number 5 is add custom signatures. Do you want to look professional with custom email signatures? To do so, you have to add your unique touch to every email. Let us see how to do it. Open the Settings app and scroll the screen to Apps. Navigate Mail setting and then scroll all the way to tap on the signature option. Then add your own signature for all accounts or each account. Simply tap on the plain text box and type on the sign. To add a custom signature, please read my blog given above. You can set different signatures for work and personal emails. Simple but effective. For more information, please watch the video link above. Now let's see tip number 6 is quickly unsubscribe from spam. Tired of newsletters? With your iPhone, you can unsubscribe easily. Unsubscribe option is safe to click on the spam email. What you need to do, open a newsletter email. Just unsub yourself on the top of the emails. It's free. One tap and you're unsubscribed. No more clutter. Tip number 7 is use swipe actions to organize faster. This will help you speed up your workflow with custom swipe actions. Go to the Settings app and scroll the screen to Apps, and again scroll to Mail setting. On this screen, find swipe options and click on it. Over here, you can customize left and right swipes to delete, archive, or flag. On this screen, you can see quickly access features like delete, flag, archive by swiping list items to the left. So friends, use swipe left or right to keep your inbox organized in seconds on your iPhone Mail app. Now I'm showing you tip number 8, which is save attachments to files. Don't lose track of attachments. Save them directly to the Files app. Open an email with an attachment, tap and hold the file, then select Save to Files. Your attachments stay safe and easy to access in Files app on your iPhone or iPad. To access it, simply launch the Files app on your iPhone and look at Recent Document. Tip number 9, press and hold to preview the email. To preview an email in your iPhone inbox, touch and hold it. This gesture is standard in many Apple and third-party applications. Tip number 10 is converting an email to a PDF on your iPhone. It is a quick and easy process using the built-in Mail app. Here are the steps to save any email as a PDF for easy sharing or storage. Launch the Mail app on your iPhone. Open the email that you want to save as a PDF. Tap the reply arrow at the bottom of the email or top right corner, depending on your iOS version. From the menu that appears, select Print. On my screen, I have to scroll the screen to click on Print. On the Printer Options screen, you'll see a preview of the email in the form of pages. Pinch out, use 2 fingers to zoom in on the email preview. This action will convert the email into a PDF file. Once the email appears as a PDF, tap the Share icon, the box with an upward arrow. Select Save to Files, choose a folder, and tap on Save. You can also share via other apps. For example, send the PDF using Mail, iMessage, or apps like WhatsApp or AirDrop. Now, if you want to access the saved PDF, if you save the file to the Files app, open the Files app on your iPhone. Navigate to the folder where you saved the PDF and tap to open it. Those are our top 10 mail tips for iPhone 16. Use these to streamline your email and save time every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.